What's up, y'all? It's Paige Cheyenne. Welcome back to my channel. Before we even get started, go ahead and press the subscribe button and continue to check us out. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. So today we are completing another tape-in install on my client here. I am loving the tape-in extensions, like obsessed with them. Now I do feel like it is a big trend right now, and tape-ins honestly are not made for everyone. However, if you are a good candidate for tape-in extensions, I would say definitely try them. They're very versatile, they're very lightweight. However, they are not a protective style, which is very important to know. So I definitely recommend having a consultation with the stylist prior to installing them, and I also recommend getting them installed by a stylist and someone who is at least trained or has some type of knowledge of them. So we are completing this tape-in install. A tape-in install should also come with a full silk press service. So stylists, you should be completing a wash, a deep condition, a blow dry, a full press, and giving them a trim. When I say full press, I mean making sure that it is straightened, depending on the hair texture and if they're getting curly tape-ins or not. You can also install it curly. However, that is something you would look at the consultation. So as you can see, I've already sectioned off my client's perimeter, and this is just basically making sure that once she does pull it up in a ponytail and a bun, that it is covering the tape-ins. Another thing that's going to help you in your consultation is knowing how much hair you're going to use. So therefore, at the consultation, you kind of can figure out what your placement is going to look like to get the maximum number of sandwiches in their head, to get the maximum volume that the client is looking for. My tape-in extension clients are on a good schedule. So at about their second to third week, we do come in, do a wash, a blow dry, and we press them. Now I do put them under the dryer so the hair can dry as much as possible, so getting all of that moisture out, and then I'll go in with the blow dryer. This one is a shorter video. I have done longer tape-in extension videos, but let me know in the comments which one you prefer. It gets very repetitive, so that's why I try to mix it up a little bit, but definitely let me know. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your post notifications so you know exactly when we post, and enjoy this video.